Hey everyone, Ivan with TDI Networks, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing, reviewing the Dell Optiplex all-in-one 5490. All coming up on this video. So let's get right into it. The Optiplex 5490 is a mid-range performance business all-in-one chassis from Dell. If you're looking for a 24-inch space-saving all-in-one unit, I think this is the right one for you. So the difference between the Optiplex chassis and, let's say, a consumer-grade Dell all-in-one is that the Optiplex does come with a 36-month or 3-year warranty, as opposed to the consumer grade all-in-ones from Dell that only come with a 12-month warranty. Dell has also limited the options for this Optiplex 5490. You're either going to configure it with 8 gigs of RAM or 16 gigs of RAM. The other limited options that we have for this Optiplex is you're either going to install a 125 gig hard drive or 250 gig hard drive, both of them being solid state. Also on this Optiplex is you're stuck with the onboard video card. There is no way to upgrade the onboard or the video graphics card for this Optiplex all-in-one. You're going to end up with the Intel onboard video card. All models feature a 23.8-inch non-touch display with a full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution. So let's face it, you're not going to be turning any heads with this Optiplex 5490 on your desktop. This is meant for business tasks, business work, business-related applications only. If you're looking for something higher or with better performance, there's other options for you. Flexibility is the name of the game when it comes to the Dell Optiplex 5490. The base provides height, swivel, and tilt adjustments. The system's integrated speaker produces enough sound for clear Teams or Zoom calls and video playback, but they sound flat when listening to music. On the left side of the display, you will find the audio jack next to a USB Type-C, a USB 3.0 Type A port, and an SD card reader slot. Honestly, that beats the old way of trying to plug into the back of the all-in-ones when it was very clunky and we needed to kind of reach over and guess where these ports were located. So the rest of the available ports are found on the center back of the all-in-one. On the back of it, you will notice that you are provided 2 more USB 3.2 ports with a pair of USB 2.0 ports. Also found on the back of is your Ethernet and audio line out ports. If you're a business in need of a space-saving all-in-one workstation, Dell is one of a few manufacturers out there in the market making them. Having a 3-year warranty is a game changer, knowing well that the retail market for this all-in-one only arrives with a 12-month service contract from Dell. This is Ivan with TDI Networks, and we'll see you on the next video.